Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is inGle reporting live from Mount Vernon, New York during the blizzard of 2016. As you can see, the snow is coming down profusely. The wind is light, not heavy. The cars are covered in snow, but they are not buried in snow. As you can see, the tires are clearly visible. Tree branches in the upper levels are clear of snow, no accumulation on the branches, but on the bark at the base of the tree, the snow is clinging. Pretty much what you would expect from a blizzard. Snow, and more snow. And as we're in the middle of this storm, and it will only get worse as the day goes on, we will see just how much accumulation we get over time. There's one car driving down the road, brave in the early morning to get to work or back from pleasure, one or the other. So for now, this is inGle reporting live. Hey, there we have a bus. There we go. The buses are running in Mount Vernon. So the city is open for business. And we see here person in the garage across going to their car. So people are braving the weather to go about their work and their day. The snow will not stop people from doing what they need to do. But this is early. We'll see how they feel at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon when the accumulation is getting much higher. This is inGle signing off from the blizzard of 2016. Enjoy your day, people.